Just got it in. My new toy. My new weapon. See what this bad boy looks like. Ooh. It's cold.
What's so special about Jacksonville, North Carolina? It has one of the highest birth rates.
Got my review coming.
In 18 years, a 4-year degree could cost over $200,000.
Wahl 100.
College.
100-year edition.
College, of course.
It's pretty nice. So it's my first day using the new Wahl 1919. All I gotta say, it's a nice machine, but I don't know. Maybe it's overpriced for what it does. I don't like that it doesn't zero gap, or at least I don't know how to zero gap it yet. I tried to, but it doesn't work that good. So I gotta find out a way of zero gapping it, because if I can't zero gap it, then it doesn't mean no good, because I'm a master fader and I gotta erase that bottom line. Then I gotta use two machines in order to do zero gap it. The construction of the machine itself is really good. It's a metal frame all the way around, the top and bottom. Seems like it's really sturdy. The lever on it, on the other hand, is super stiff. So I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be, or if it's gonna loosen up a little bit as time goes on. But geez, my thumb hurts from fucking pushing it up and down. But we'll see how that works out. So far the machines, I mean, the construction of it is really nice. I like that it's a 100 edition. It's a beautiful machine. Beauty-wise, it's best looking machine in my drawer. But I just gotta get used to it. I gotta try it out. I'm gonna see if I can find a video to zero gap it, and then we'll go from there. And then I'm gonna do my extensive review on it. This is just my little first time initial review on it. I've only used it on maybe 2 or 3 haircuts, but other than that, it really is a nice machine. Would I recommend you get it? I don't know yet. I'll give you. Let me use it for a while. Right now, I'll still go with I would still go with the 5-star seniors. Those are the go-to machines. But this is my initial review on it, and later on, give me a couple of days, maybe next week, I'll do an extensive review on it and give you guys my opinion on this machine for sure. After I use it, several haircuts, not just a couple. But I want to use it for at least 20, 30 haircuts before I actually do my review on it. So maybe next week. Alright guys, with that being said, I'm going to go back inside, finish this day strong. It's already 12 o'clock, so it's almost time to go home. Right now I'm going to go back to swap meet and pick up mom and show you guys how I do that. So today's vlog is a little interesting because it just shows you what I do on Sundays, and just to let you guys know, you got to be a service to your parents. That's how I feel. If you're not being a service to your parents, then what the hell? They've been a service to you for your whole life. They always help you out. So get on it, guys. Help out.